Adobe Sign Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get e-signature solutions wrong. They assume they're all the same and only useful for simple forms. The surprising truth about Adobe Sign is that it's a professional-grade platform trusted by businesses worldwide, and you won't believe how much time it can save when handling contracts, approvals, and compliance documents. Here's how it works. Adobe Sign allows you to create, send, and track documents for electronic signatures. It integrates with Microsoft Office, Salesforce, and other enterprise tools, making workflow automation seamless. Recipients can sign documents securely from any device without needing an Adobe account. For example, a company onboarding new employees can send multiple forms for signature at once, track who has signed, and send reminders automatically. Most people get this wrong. They think e-signatures are informal, but Adobe Sign meets strict legal and regulatory standards, including GDPR and eIDAS compliance. Additional features include reusable templates, custom branding, audit trails, and advanced authentication methods. Users praise the reliability, security, and speed, especially for organizations handling large volumes of documents. However, there are considerations. The platform can be expensive for individual users, and some advanced features may require a subscription plan. Most people assume e-signature tools are optional. It can be essential for legally binding and efficient workflows in business. In conclusion, Adobe Sign is ideal for businesses and professionals who need secure, compliant, and efficient document signing and management. It's more than just convenience. It's a tool for productivity and peace of mind. Subscribe for more honest reviews of productivity and business software.